Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the 5 best SSDs that are delivering blazing fast storage performance in 2026. From lightning-quick boot times to seamless 4K video editing and ultra-fast game loading, these solid-state drives represent the cutting edge of storage technology. Whether you're building a high-performance gaming rig, upgrading your laptop, or creating a powerhouse workstation for content creation, these SSDs combine incredible speed with rock-solid reliability. Let's dive in. Number 5. WD Black SN7100 Best Budget Performance SSD. The WD Black SN7100 delivers exceptional performance at an accessible price point, making high-speed storage available to more users than ever before. This PCIe Gen 4 NVMe drive features sequential read speeds up to 5,050 Mbps and write speeds up to 4,900 Mbps, providing noticeably faster boot times and application loading compared to SATA SSDs. The advanced thermal management with integrated heatsink keeps temperatures in check during sustained workloads, preventing thermal throttling that can slow down performance. Available in capacities up to 2 TB, it offers plenty of space for your operating system, applications, and game library. The low power consumption makes it ideal for laptops, extending battery life without sacrificing speed. With WD's proven reliability backed by a 5-year warranty and endurance ratings up to 600 TBW for the 1 TB model, you can trust your data is safe. The M2-2280 form factor ensures compatibility with most modern motherboards and laptops, perfect for gamers and everyday users who want speed without breaking the bank. The WD Black SN7100 retails for approximately $90 USD for 1 TB. Number 4. Crucial P310-2280 Best Compact High-Speed SSD. The Crucial P310-2280 packs incredible PCIe Gen 4 performance into a compact, efficient package designed for modern, ultra-thin laptops and space-constrained builds. Featuring Micron's latest 3D NAND technology, it achieves sequential read speeds up to 7,100 Mbps and write speeds up to 6,000 Mbps, rivaling much larger and more expensive drives. The single-sided M2-2280 design with low-profile components makes it compatible with even the thinnest ultrabooks and handheld gaming devices where standard SSDs won't fit. Advanced power efficiency delivers exceptional performance per watt, crucial for battery-powered devices and systems where heat dissipation is limited. Despite its compact size, it's available in capacities up to 2 TB, providing ample storage for professionals on the go. The DRAM-less architecture using host memory buffer keeps costs down while maintaining responsive performance for everyday tasks. Crucial's reputation for quality and a 5-year warranty ensure long-term reliability, ideal for ultrabook upgrades, Steam Deck expansions, and compact gaming builds. The Crucial P310-2280 retails for approximately $110 USD for 1 TB. Number 3. WD Black SN850p Best PS5 Expansion SSD. The WD Black SN850p is specifically engineered for PlayStation 5 expansion, delivering certified compatibility and performance that meets Sony's demanding specifications. This PCIe Gen 4 NVMe drive features sequential read speeds up to 7,300 ms, ensuring PS5 games load just as quickly as from the console's internal storage. The custom-designed heatsink fits perfectly within the PS5's M2 expansion slot, providing optimal cooling during marathon gaming sessions without any modification required. Available in capacities up to 4 TB, it dramatically expands your game library, eliminating the constant need to delete and reinstall titles. The drive maintains consistent performance even when filled near capacity, thanks to intelligent SLC caching and thermal management. Beyond PS5 compatibility, it's equally at home in high-performance PC builds for gaming and content creation. WD's Game Mode 2.0 technology optimizes performance for gaming workloads, reducing stuttering and improving load times. With a 5-year warranty and endurance ratings up to 2,400 TBW for larger capacities, it's built to handle years of intensive gaming. The WD Black SN850p retails for approximately $180 USD for 2 TB. Number 2. WD Black SN8100 Best Next Gen Performance SSD. The WD Black SN8100 represents the cutting edge of PCIe Gen 5 technology, delivering unprecedented speeds that redefine what's possible with consumer storage. Featuring mind-blowing sequential read speeds up to 12,000 MBs and write speeds up to 11,000 MBs, this drive crushes even the most demanding workloads with ease. The advanced thermal solution with dual-layer cooling including vapor chamber technology and aluminum heat spreader keeps this powerhouse running at peak performance even under sustained heavy loads. DirectStorage support in Windows enables lightning-fast game asset loading directly to the GPU, dramatically reducing load times in supported titles. Ideal for professional content creators working with 8K video, massive raw photo libraries, or complex 3D rendering projects where every second counts. The PCIe 5.0 x4 interface future-proofs your system for next-generation applications while maintaining backward compatibility with PCIe 4.0 and 3.0 systems. Available in capacities up to 4 TB with endurance ratings exceeding 3,000 TBW, it's built for the long haul. With WD's dashboard software for monitoring health and performance, you stay informed about your drive's status. The WD Black SN8100 retails for approximately $280 USD for 2 TB. Number 1, WD Black SN850X, best SSD overall. The WD Black SN850X is the ultimate all-around SSD, striking the perfect balance between blistering speed, proven reliability, and exceptional value. This PCIe Gen 4 NVMe drive delivers sequential read speeds up to 7,300 MB/s and write speeds up to 6,600 MB/s, providing flagship-tier performance that handles everything from gaming to professional workloads. The predictive loading technology and adaptive thermal management ensure sustained peak performance without throttling, even during extended intensive use. Game Mode 2.0 optimizes the drive for gaming workloads, while the robust firmware handles content creation tasks like video editing and 3D rendering with equal prowess. Available in capacities from 1 TB to 4 TB, there's a perfect size for every need and budget. The optional RGB heatsink models add customizable lighting to complement your gaming setup while providing superior cooling. With industry-leading endurance ratings up to 2,400 TBW and a 5-year warranty, this drive is built to be the last storage upgrade you'll need for years. Compatible with PS5, desktops, and laptops, it excels in any environment. The comprehensive WD dashboard software provides real-time monitoring, firmware updates, and performance optimization. The WD Black SN850X retails for approximately $140 USD for 1 TB.